Today we're going to replace a Siemens 840C Sinumerik control with a Monitech monitor.
Monitech.
So here we have the Sinumerik 840C control. It's original LCD. There is CRT types out there with a 14-inch CRT. This is the LCD version. There's the part number. There's the power supply. The power supply is a big failure of these. It has an inverter built into it. Causes a lot of problems. So we're just going to get rid of all of that. You can see the big frame. It's not needed. It just gives you the same CRT frame. Now we're going to do the unboxing of the Monitech monitor. So speed it up a little bit. It's a 10.4-inch LCD, which is the same size as the original one that's on there. There's the part number, ML104LL840C, and it comes with a bunch of mounting brackets and some cables. All right, now let's get the work done. We're going to take that whole back part off. And I sped up a little bit of this so you don't have to watch me do the screws. So we're going to just disassemble all the front pieces, and we're going to leave the whole LCD monitor comes off that's in here. A couple extra screws there, and you're going to see the whole thing comes off, and you're going to be left with just the front bezel. This is the time when you want to clean the bezel inside. So we're just going to prep the Monitech monitor here. There's 4 screws on the side that we have to put on the mounting. We don't pre-mount it. This is something you have to do when you do the install. So you're going to just take your screwdriver and you're just going to loosen these 4 screws. All right, now you're going to place the mounting bracket and make sure your monitor is not upside down. And there's those 4 screws. They're just loose. And they just slide into that bracket, just like that. And once they're in place, you're going to tighten everything down. I sped up the tightening of the screws so you don't have to watch me do that. And Siemens typically uses Torx screws, so you're going to be switching screwdrivers between Phillips and Torx screws. But if you have Siemens, you already know that. All right, that's it. With some cables to add, that's all that's required. So this Siemens control doesn't have the side keyboard. The side keyboard, there's a different install for that. So this is just the function keys across the bottom and across the side. So we're going to have an extension cable for that function keys. And then we have a power supply, which has the same plug as the original Siemens control. And it's just the monitor is a 12-volt DC monitor. And we have a video cable. The Siemens control is Synchron green, red, green, blue. You'll see that it's pretty obvious that it's all labeled inside. And then we put this Synchron green to a VGA plug, and the monitor just knows how to work with that Siemens signal. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, you can always go to monitech.com. Give us a call. Get your machines running. Way to go. Thanks. All right. Bye.
Monitech, leading name for industrial display solutions in the world market today. Proudly providing solutions for all your industrial display needs for hundreds of legacy controllers. Visit us at monitech.com. Thank you.